Hello there. Welcome to OnceHub video tutorial. This is Adnan from OnceHub team, and today we are going to learn how to set up booking calendar redirect feature. So this feature allow you to redirect your guests to an external URL once they have completed a booking. It is useful for thank you page, payment page, or survey form. To set this up, click on the booking calendars icon in the left side column. Select the booking calendar that you would like to edit. Select the booking form tab. Scroll down to after booking and toggle on the button for redirect to an external URL. In the right side column, you will see a few options like scheduling, rescheduling, and guest cancellation. Enter the website URL where you would like to redirect your guest. Click on save. Once you have saved it, to test this out, go to the page designer, load the booking calendar. Once the booking calendar loaded, select the date and time, the name, and email address, and click on schedule. Once the meeting is confirmed, your guest would be redirected to the external URL that you had mentioned on your book. That's it. Thank you for watching.